Hi everybody, I just got my doTERRA box for this month, October, and I'm super excited because as you may have seen already in several of my posts, that the new VMG Plus has come out and it's going to be amazing, and I've just been so excited to try it. So I'm just going to unbox the whole box because yay, who doesn't love doTERRA? So I have lavender, okay, lovely, lemon, another lavender. Yes, that's always nice to have in stock. Ooh, I got the white grapefruit, and it's really lovely. White grapefruit smells so sweet, and it's really nice essential oil. I love to diffuse it and put it in my water. Peppermint, oh, great for headaches. Eucalyptus, that is a favorite, especially right now because everybody is going, it's fall season, but the weather changing, and yeah, we definitely need stuff for respiratory, and it's a lovely oil to have on. Okay, here it is, VMG. Oh my gosh, dude, you can't do that to your face. Mix it up. I didn't take my vitamins today, so super excited to try this. And Isaiah is definitely going to be a participant in this as well. He's going to help out. He's going to try it. All right, I'm just going to read on this. VMG Plus offers whole food nutrition to support foundational health with 5 proprietary blends. This comprehensive supplement supports energy levels, helps maintain a healthy immune system, aids digestion, and promotes optimal hormone and brain function. I am super excited about this. And the other thing that that we are learning more and more in doTERRA and the science of these products is with the essential oils that are used in the supplements and all these products is what really gives it the boost, the amazing potential that these nutrients and supplements have. The essential oil blend that doTERRA adds to these supplements is brought out. That potential is brought to fruition, and it is amazing. So super excited. Come on, Isaiah.
Oh my gosh. Like the green machine. Make it
Oh.
very watery.
You think it's water? I think it's good. Oh my gosh, that's yummy. Pineapple and mango. And you can definitely taste it. You can taste the pineapple and the mango. Clean, vegan, gluten-free, natural, non-GMO. It also has the doTERRA greens in it. And would you like to take your vitamins this way instead of having to chew a capsule, chew a tablet, or take a pill? Well, the Lifelong Vitality pills is a lot. The ones that you normally take are the small soft gels, like the small omegas. And then you take chewables. So would you like to take your vitamins this way from now on instead?
They don't taste like the last.
Yeah, it would be this. I love it. Thank you, Isaiah.
You're welcome. I'm taking both of these now.
Gonna finish them off?
Maybe.
All right. Yeah, so if you guys want any information on the VMG Plus, let me know. This is amazing. And I also got the fiber with the 200 PV order this month. You get the free fiber and the toothpaste. Love the Younger toothpaste. This has done wonders for my dental health and my family's. And Deep Blue Rub. Always have to have that on hand. This is amazing. I'm so excited that I don't have to take 12 pills a day if I don't want to. I'm definitely going to finish off the Lifelong Vitality that I have on hand, but I am really excited to share this with everybody. So if you want to try this and you're in my area, I would love to give you one, and you can definitely try it. And the only thing that I regret that's not in this order right now is the new Omegas. And what I am hearing about the E Omega is amazing, that you can just chew it and it tastes great. And honestly, I'm probably going to put another order in for this month and get the Omega Plus. So super excited to try that as well. For this new supplement is that it has been lowering diastolic blood pressure and lowering the resting heart rate. So if you don't already know, omega oils are really essential for heart health And the doTERRA E Omega Plus is above and beyond anything that has surfaced thus far. So definitely need to give it a try. And when I get that, I'll definitely be sharing that as well. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.